guys, welcome back to my channel. So Kibo and Tutu are taking sun bath, and that too they are in the garden. I'll be showing you what all food I grow in my own garden. Let's go. Here you have fresh pudina for Kibo. I'll be giving it for Kibo right now. Kibo, have. And then here you have the fresh grown foxtail millet. You can see these fresh foxtail millets. I'll be giving this for Tutu right now. And then you have some of the sunflower. Actually, it's right now not fresh because the plant has dried. There were many beautiful flowers but were destroyed from the monkeys. You will have the seeds inside them. Is a fully grown papaya plant. It bears very tasty fruits, and you can see the seeds. These seeds, the small tiny seeds, are eaten by Kibo and Tutu. They are very tasty for Kibo and Tutu. Now you have the strawberry plant. Actually, it's still growing, and you have the dragon fruit plant. You can see dragon fruit plants have not bear any fruit because it's still a very small plant. Here you have another type of millet. These are very tasty and it's loved by Tutu, the cockatiel. Come on, let's harvest this as well. Let's continue. Here you have another palak plant, and behind that another one. This is the butterfruit plant or the avocado plant, which is very dangerous for your birds. Never give your birds avocado. And here you have the sugarcane. Kibo's favorite fruit is sugarcane. You can see the sugarcane, tiny sugarcane here. We have harvested them. This is the third or the second round which we are leaving them to grow. Here next to that you have the spinach plant. These are seeds bearing plant. And then you have two little pomegranate plants. These are fresh pomegranate given to Kibo and Tutu. You can see they're so pretty. Small pretty pomegranates. Here you have another bunch. This is very sweet and loved by Kibo. There you have the turmeric, but we don't give him. Sunflower again. Again. You can see the jungle of Kibo. You can see this. These are the small tiny sunflower plants. Seeds were just grown here, and you have so many plants there as well. And here you have baby tiny cute little papaya plant, and there above that you have the sunflower plant. So here we are done with showing you the plants.